Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Mustang, talking about that generation here from year 2015 to year 2023. If you guys try to find the relay for the auxiliary power point, stay with us guys, we'll explain where it's located. Okay, this is for the power outlet, where that relay is located, where you can buy cheap relays and fuses, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything guys. Anything from engines, transmissions, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this absolutely free information. And if you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, because some of those could be really expensive at the parts store, any parts, any tools for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So the auxiliary power point relay, where it's located, we'll demonstrate on 2018 Ford Mustang GT, but even if you have a different engine, different year, it should work as well guys, especially if you have something close. But that's right here, the fuse box that we need. In order to open it, you're going to press that thing here and lift up at the same time, pull it up, and on the back side guys, you have the fuse numbers and the relay numbers printed here. That corresponds to what we have here. That makes it super convenient. Bad news, you don't know what they're for, so that's why we made the video. But before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So here now let's explain guys. Okay, we'll be working in that fuse box layout right here, okay, that block right here, and if you look at relay number 69, corresponds to that blue one right here. That's all for the auxiliary powers, okay, that you will need to check right here, that relay guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any more questions, you want to see anything else specifically on Ford Mustang, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.